Seeing that check engine light pop up is annoying enough, but when it is accompanied by a warning about water in your fuel, it is downright stressful. If you have scanned your vehicle and pulled the code P226A, you are likely dealing with a water and fuel lamp control circuit issue. This sounds technical, but do not panic. Basically, your car has a sensor designed to detect if water or too much ethanol has mixed into your diesel or gas, which is a huge no-no for your engine's health. This specific code means the computer, or PCM, is seeing weird signals from the circuit that controls the warning light itself. It might be that the light is not turning on when it should, or maybe it is flashing randomly. Ignoring this can lead to some nasty symptoms like your engine stalling out, severe misfiring, or even refusing to start altogether because the computer thinks the fuel is compromised. Before you go buying expensive sensors, let us do some detective work. First, check your specific vehicle's technical service bulletins, because sometimes manufacturers release updates for glitches like this. If that is clear, look at your fuel filter maintenance records. A clogged or old filter is a prime suspect. Here is a pro tip that I always use in the shop. Take a sample of your fuel in a clear glass jar. Let it sit for a few minutes. If you see a separation layer at the bottom, that is water. If you see water, your fuel is contaminated, and that is likely triggering the system. If the fuel looks clean, you need to get under the hood and inspect the wiring around the fuel filter housing. Look for any wires that are rubbed bare, burnt, or connectors that look green with corrosion. That sensor is usually right on top of the fuel tank or near the filter housing. For the advanced ears out there, if you have a multimeter or an oscilloscope, you can actually watch the signal pulses. You are looking for a frequency between 50 and 150 Hz. 50 usually means clean fuel, while 150 means contamination. But honestly, for most of you, the fix is often as simple as draining the water separator, changing a dirty fuel filter, or fixing a corroded wire connector. Do not just swap the computer immediately. That is a rookie mistake. Check the wiring and the fuel quality first, and you will likely solve this without spending a fortune.